Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube and I'm going to show you how to run Docker virtually. So basically, first let me search for play with Docker. This will give me a virtual playground where I can start Linux servers where I can run Docker containers. So how do I log into the Docker? So first of all, I need to log into Docker Hub, and yeah, I have done it beforehand, so I already have an account. So yeah, and I enter my password, but yeah, I'll just select predefined previously saved password. So yeah, I'm logged in. Well, so I over here I get an instance, a virtual playground where I can create new instance, and I can create another instance and as many as I want. So basically here you can see there is node 1 and node 2, and with each node I'm getting approximately 4 GB memory to run my containers. So yeah, and let's go to another browser section of the browser where we can search for Docker Hub. So well, what are we getting from getting in Docker Hub is predefined images of containers. So I can download any, like for example, Nginx image, and I can click on the Nginx image here and copy the build I can pull the Nginx image with this command, and here I can paste the command, and basically what this will do is download the Nginx image. So to check if it has downloaded properly, we can click go to Docker images dash or just Docker images, and as you can see, there is Nginx image downloaded, and now I can spin up a container using, well, if I go to Docker Hub, I can find the command here, and well, I'll just show you the command, and we can edit it as we want it. So well, let me just check. We can use, well, this command looks good, where what we're trying to do here is basically trying to expose an external a port. So yeah, as you can see, let me zoom it in. Well, I'll just type it in here, Docker run, and I can just give a name tag. Let's call it mo1, and yeah, and I can just give a -d detach and port, -p for port, and I can just maybe write 1000 and map it to port 80, and I can download the image. I can run the container from the pre-installed pre-downloaded image, which is Nginx. So if I click enter, as you can see, there is an image as a container created, and to see if whether the container is running, I can type docker ps enter, and then as you can see, we have a container running, and in the top you can see over here where it says 1000. As you can remember, we mapped port 1000 to port 80, and when you click on 1000, you can see there welcome to Nginx. So yeah, it's properly mapped. So I can run other containers as well. Let's just not let's just get it from previously typed code, and just let's say 2 and mo2 and port number 2000 mapping to port. So yeah, and then now you can see as you can see, if we see what containers are running, docker ps, and you can see mo2 and mo1, and over here we can see port 2000 as well. When I click here, it also opens another Nginx. So yeah, as you can see, we can run many Nginx containers, and it's pretty lightweight. And over here you can see we just used up 200 megabytes of memory. Yeah. So yeah, so I hope it was helpful. This video is helpful, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.